Do you have a place of your own in your house where you feel like you can just put up whatever you want, you can decorate it the way you want, it's got your own vibe? For me, that's my office. That's where I spend most of my day. And I like cars. That means I have a lot of things that are childish. So I was scrolling on social media, TikTok. There's this space behind my desk, and I wanted to put something up that was unique, something that I wouldn't mind looking at all the time, something that excites me. I put together this little art project, and it only required 4 things. I'm going to walk you through how I did it. My 11-year-old helped me, and it only took us about a half hour. I love how it came out, and you can love it too. It's not that hard. Anyone with basic levels of skill can do this. You can kind of see it over my head right now. Don't jump ahead. Watch the whole video. Don't jump ahead. You gotta watch the whole video to see how I did it. Here we go. You want to dance, don't you? Yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'. Now, here we go. I created something to hang the diecast with using 4 screws and picture hanging wire. I put them all into the holes that were already there on the bottom of the car. I then put 2 screws into the wall at the right position that would give me that perfect angle for the car when it was finally mounted. Next, it was time to apply the double-sided fabric tape. I laid out the way I wanted the smoke to look. And then I added the govee LED lights to it that had an adhesive back. I put it right on the double-sided tape to create a really good bond. And then to a quick test of the lights to make sure everything worked and the colors changed. Everything looked great.